Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how often Equifax updates your credit report. Equifax does not update your credit report on a single, universal calendar day. Instead, your report changes continuously as individual lenders, credit card issuers, and loan services send in new data. Most financial institutions report account activity to Equifax once every 30 days, usually shortly after a billing cycle closes. Because different lenders report on different schedules throughout the month, your Equifax credit report can experience updates at multiple times. For example, a credit card issuer might submit your updated balance and payment history on the 10th of the month, while a mortgage lender or auto loan provider might report theirs on the 25th. This staggered reporting means your overall profile is constantly shifting rather than refreshing all at once on a fixed date. Beyond standard monthly account updates, certain actions trigger immediate additions to your Equifax credit file. When you apply for a new loan or credit card, a hard inquiry is logged right away. Public records, such as new collection accounts, tax liens, or bankruptcies, are also integrated into your file as soon as they are processed and reported by third-party data furnishers. Consequently, your Equifax credit score, which is calculated dynamically using the data present in your report at any given moment, can fluctuate at various points during the month as new pieces of information arrive. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.